Oh no. Oh Jesus Christ, it's raining so hard. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna take shelter underneath this goddamn tree for at least a moment. Holy shit. Well, that sucks. Oh, damn it, my phone. Okay, so we're over at Zier's, and we have to pick up some ingredients for the zucchini fritters I'll be making. Online shopping only. Oh, God damn it, I want a spot close to the entrance. That looks good. There we are. Alright, I will need some zucchini. That one looks okay. Get a red onion. Forgot to get some garlic. There we are. Woo, stopped raining. Ah, shit. Oh, fuck. Dumb bitches. Alright, so we're going to make some zucchini chickpea fritters, and first step is to just take your can of chickpeas and rinse them out. Got some mice eating their noms right by our sink there. We just adopted these mice. They were abandoned at the side of the road, and we just took them in. We got a nice big tank for them. Okay, so now that we've rinsed out the Now that we've rinsed out the chickpeas, we're going to saute them for 5 minutes. So I really like to cook with avocado oil, not only because it has a very high smoke point, it's pretty stable at high temperature, but it also has a property in it that helps to lower small dense LDL particles. This little brown one there is crumpet? Crouton. Oh, okay, that's crouton. The darker one there is pumpernickel, and that one there is crumpet, the one drinking. We named them after bread.
Because I love bread.
Bread. We've finished sauteing these chickpeas. We're just going to put them aside here in a little bowl. And you're just going to want to mash these. It's a little easier with the potato masher. Oops, the lens is fogging up. It's a bit easier with the potato masher, but a fork works just as well. Okay, so now we have to shred up our vegetables. You can use either one large zucchini or 2 medium ones. This is about 2 medium ones. You're going to want a clove of garlic and about 1/4 of an onion. Now, you can use a cheese grater, but it's faster and easier to use a food processor, which is what I'm going to use right now. Okay, so because there's a lot of space in between the shredding part and the lid, I don't think the garlic is going to get shredded adequately, so I'm just going to finely chop it up on the cutting board. Okay, once you've shredded up the zucchini, it does have a lot of extra water, so what you want to do is squeeze out that extra water. So you can just either grab a towel, smush it down, have the towel absorb it, or you can just squish it and leak it out over the sink.
Oh, that's a lot of water.
Yeah. Okay, so I think that's good enough. Not much else is coming out, so I'm just gonna dump all this into the chickpea bowl. So right now we have all the vegetables and crap in the in the mixing bowl. So we've got the chickpeas, the zucchini, onions, and garlic. Now we have to add in chickpea flour, or garbanzo bean flour, same thing, or white rice or brown rice flour. If you can get brown rice flour, use that. They only had white rice flour at the store. 2 tablespoons, well, I'm just going to use 2 heaping spoons of each because I don't have a tablespoon anywhere. And then we're going to put that into there, and then we're going to mix it all up. And I almost forgot, you're also going to put in some nutritional yeast. Now, this recipe calls for 2 tablespoons, but really there's not really such thing as too much nutritional yeast, so I'd say do it to taste. If you want more of a yeasty, cheesy kind of flavor, then just add in more. And along with that, I'm going to add in some spices. This is paprika, so I'm not going to have a full tablespoon. I'm going to have about that much of a spoon. I don't know how much that would be. That'd be maybe 1 or 2 teaspoons. You can also add salt to this if you want, but I typically eat a low sodium diet, so I'm not going to add any salt to this. And we're just going to mix this all up right now. Don't give me that fucking look. And after you're done mixing, it should look like this, kind of like a weird, hard, goopy vomit. And then we're going to form this onto patties and fry it in the pan, again with avocado oil. Damn it. Son of a bitch. Ah, fuck. There we are. Okay, and here is the finished product. I was already nibbling on one. These are really good. And, yeah, try out this recipe. It's really simple and easy. Even I can do it. I'm not a very good cook. And if you want to see more recipe videos, just hit a like. And as always, keep making those vegan. And what are these called again? Chickpea Zucchini Fritter Gains. How do you like them?
They're good.
Jasmine's a really picky eater.
Yeah, they're really good.
So if she likes them, you know they're good. You're not getting any.
Did you just seriously rub me without washing your hands?
Oh, I
That's
don't know.
fucking nasty. Fuck off.
I don't know. Whatever. I didn't know I had crap on my hands.
Beef. What a relief. When will this poisonous product cease? This is another public service announcement. You can believe it or you can doubt it. Let us begin now with the cow. The way it gets to your plate and how.
Nee.